Hi guys! Kamusta naman kayo? Grabing init ngayon!
Hello, kaya nga sobrang panas dito sa Batangas ngayon.
Hey guys!
Hello! Hello! You alright? Sana nasa mesosphere na lang tayo. Mesosphere?
Oo, the mesosphere is the third layer or middle layer of the atmosphere. Hence, meso refers to the Greek term mesos, which means middle.
The mesosphere is the atmosphere's coldest layer surrounding the Earth. The temperature in the mesosphere can reach negative 150 degrees Fahrenheit.
Alam niyo ba na mesosphere extends over approximately 23 miles, starting around 31 miles of Earth's surface and reaching up to 53 to 62 miles?
Actually, meteors burn up in this area of the atmosphere. Likewise, here you can see shooting stars. The mesosphere is also important because it plays a major factor in protecting life on Earth against solar radiation.
Tunay nga na maganda ang mesosphere. Sana ay marami pa akong malalaman tungkol dito.
Sige na, I need to go guys. Magbabike pa ako.
Bye!
Bye!